Two BJP legislators, Vishnu Wagh and Michael Lobo, have voiced their strong opposition to the announcement of Hindu right-wing activist Pramod Mutalik that he would set up the Goa unit of his Shri Ram Sena by August-September this year. The ruling party Sant Andre MLA Vishnu Wagh said Mutalik's philosophy does not augur well for Goa's secular ethos and that he is confident Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar will stick to his word that he will not allow the Ram Sena to set foot in Goa. Vishnu said he is confident that the government will not allow Mutalik's organization to set shop in Goa. He also argued that although Mutalik has a right to his viewpoint, it is wrong for him and to try to impose it in Goa. Mutalik is against pub culture, but in Goa, which is a tourism state, it cannot be imposed because our tourism model includes the pub culture, Wagh said. He also expressed his stiff opposition to Mutalik's militant streak, saying all religions that have taken to the sword have perished. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo was more forceful in his demand that the government should put a ban on the Shri Ram Sena in Goa. Lobo said Mutalik is someone who uses about 20 to 25 people to disturb the peace of a place. Citing the example of Mangalore, Lobo said Mutalik was responsible for vitiating the inter-religious relation in that city with his disruptive and violent activities against young boys and girls in pubs, besides discrediting religious structures. Lobo said when he and other Goan MLAs had gone to Mangalore to campaign for the BJP candidates in the Karnataka Assembly polls last year, they were specifically told by the people of the city that if Mutalik who was responsible for disturbing the social order there. Goa is a peace-loving state where people of all religion gel well together. There is no place for people like Mutalik or his organization, Lobo said, adding that he would write to Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar to officially formalize the ban on Mutalik's Shri Ram Sena in Goa. Meanwhile, the opposition Congress has already taken up cudgels against Mutalik and approached the courts with their complaint against his hate speech after they got no favorable response from the Goa police. It has asked the court to direct the police to book the Shri Ram Sena chief under relevant sections of the Indian Penal Code for spreading hatred among different religions.
प्रमोद मुतालिक खूब कितें सांगतलो, पण ताका म्हजीय चॅलेंज आहा की हिंदुत्वाचेर जर ताका उलोवपाचें आसत जाल्यार ताणें आमच्या मुखार येवचें आनी हिंदुत्वाचेर उलोवचें. प्रमोद मुतालिकाचें हिंदुत्व कसलें आनी आमचें हिंदुत्व कसलें आमी दाखोवन दिता. पूण ह्या देशाची जी एक पळय सेक्युलर बांदिलकी आहा, ह्या बांदिलकी कडेन खेळपाचो प्रयत्न हो ताणें करचो न्ही. तो आमकां खूब सांगता पब संस्कृतीचे आपूण विरुद्ध म्हणटा, अमके संस्कृती विरुद्ध. हे आमचें गोंय इज अ टुरिजम स्टेट. ह्या टुरिजम्सांनी हांगा रिलिजियस टुरिजम चलना. हांगा आमकां हांगा टुरिजम चलता तें एक वेवस्थीत ताची आपली एक पद्दत ही बसलेली आहा. तितून बिगाड करपाचो प्रयत्न हो ताणें करचो न्ही. आनी म्हाजी खात्री आहा की स्वता चीफ मिनिस्टरान सुद्दां हेजे पयलीं सांगलां की आपूण हांगा ताका येवपाक दिवचो ना. म्हाका दिसता की सरकार दिवचो ना ताका येवपाक. ते पळय वैचारीक म्हजो आमचो विरोध कसो हो कितें शारिरीक विरोध न्ही. म्हजें अशें की विचार खंयच्या विचारांक कोण आडोवंक शकना, पूण विचाराचो प्रतिवाद हो करपाक येता. आमी रेडी आहा विचाराचो प्रतिवाद करपाक. खंयच्या अशें पळय ते अशें म्हणटात तेणी लक्षांत दवरपा जाय की जे जे धर्मांनी तलवार हातीन घेतल्या ते धर्म काबार जाल्या आनी तलवार घेवपी काबार जाल्या. नाजाल्यार ह्या देशान बुद्धिजमचो उदय जावचो नाशिल्लो जर सगळें तलवारीचेरूच चलता. सम्राट अशोकान कलिंगाच्या युद्धान हातीन तलवार घेतली आनी कत्तल पयली तेन्नाच ताचें हृदय परिवर्तन जालें. हो इतिहास तरी मुतालिकान लक्षांत दवरपा जाय. ताका इतिहासूय शिकोवपा आसत, शिकोवपाची आमची तयारी आहा.
श्री राम सेनेचो चीफ प्रमोद मुतालिक जो ऑल इंडिया हिंदू कन्वेन्शनाक गोंयां येयल्लो आनी तेणें थिंगासर डिक्लेअर केला की ही इज गोइंग टू ओपन अ ब्रांच एंड गोवन यंगस्टर्स दॅट इज यूथ ऑफ गोवा आर इन्वायटींग हिम. हांव इतलेंच सांगूंक सोदता ह्या प्रमोद मुतालिकाक की गोवा इज अ पीस लविंग it's a peaceful state and all people, that is all religions, that is Hindu, Catholic, Muslims, we all stay in a very peaceful environment. There is total communal harmony, we gel up with one another. आम्ही सगळे जाण एक म्हणून रावता. आणि Pramod Mutalik is a person who disturbs. This is the thing what he has done in Mangalore. म्हाका उगडास येता, गेल्या वर्सा आमी इलेक्शन कॅम्पेनिंगाक मँगलोर गेल्ले. आमचो कार्लोस आल्मेडा, मायसेल्फ, निलेश काब्राल, आनी आमी हाऊस टू हाऊस कॅम्पेनिंग करताले BJP कॅन्डिडेटाक. And every house we entered, they said that we had voted for BJP. I'm talking about all the religion people, that is Hindus, Catholics, Muslims. We were going house to house campaigning, and they said that Shri Ram Sene has disturbed the whole environment of Mangalore. He created enmity between religion. So people like Shri Ram Sene, the chief of Pramod Mutalik, he disturbs only with 20 or 25 people. 20 or 25 लोग घेऊन येतात आणि डिस्टर्ब करता सगळे. And there the whole environment gets disturbed.
मेच्या एंडाक जून पयली विकाक जेन्ना आमी मुद्दालेखाचेर कंप्लेंट फायल केल्ली आनी अपेक्षे प्रमाणे आमकां गोंय पुलिसा कडल्यान कांयच सहकार्य मेळूना. आनी 12 तारखेक पंतप्रधान मोदी येवच्या 2 दिसां पयलीं आमकां इंटिमेशन धाडलें की तुमची कंप्लेंट क्लोज केल्या, कांय तथ्य ना म्हणून. आमी सगळे स्पेसिफिकली मेन्शन केले तातूंत. मागीर आमी मूव केले एप्लिकेशन SP कडेन. SPनूय आमकां कांय रिस्पॉन्स दिवना. आज आमी सांगिल्ल्या प्रमाणे पयले JMFCन आज आमी एप्लिकेशन दाखल केल्लें आसा कोर्टान. म्हाका दिसता सोमाराक तें लिस्ट जाला. आमी कोर्टा कडेन मागणी केल्या की ह्या पुलिसांनी जे कांकणां घालून बसल्यात हांकां डायरेक्ट करात FIR लॉन्च करपाक. सुप्रीम कोर्टाचे गायडलायनूय आसा. तुमी कशें पयलींच इन्वेस्टिगेट करनासतना आमकां सुद्दां आपोवना कंप्लेंट म्हणून इन्वेस्टिगेट करपाक. आपयनासतना तुमी नॉन कॉग्निजेबल म्हणून तुमी बरोवन आमकां पत्र धाडलें. आतां परत पोलीस ओगी रावले म्हणून मुत्तालीक सारको एक नरकासूर काल परत आयला आनी काल परत स्टेटमेंट दिता की आपूण येतलो, आपणाक कोण हाडयतो आपूण पळयता म्हणून.